To show your sleep duration on your home screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to add the sleep widget to your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area, and then tap widget at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down the widget screen to find help, or you can quickly find the widget by typing its name in the search bar. Tap help. Next, tap and hold the sleep widget and then drag it to the desired position on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. Tap anywhere outside the widget. As you can see, the sleep widget has been added to your home screen and is now displaying your last night's sleep duration. If needed, you can tap the widget to see more info about your sleep. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.